to my channel. Today mag-unbox tayo ng relief na galing sa DSWD. Pero pinuntahan pa namin to sa bahay ng aming mayor. Okay, tingnan natin kung ano yung laman niya. Tingnan natin kung ano-ano ang laman nitong box. Meron tayo dito 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs or sachets ng chocolate drink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sachets ng coffee. Sunmig coffee. Corned beef. 2, 3, 4, 4 na corned beef, 2 sardines. Nasaan na yung sardines? Lucky 7 baka naman. 555 corned beef baka naman. And then Fresca tuna 4 Fresca tuna 4. So, bali 10 na canned goods. 10 canned goods. And meron din tayong rice. Vacuum sealed siya. 3 kilograms ang isang pack. 2 yung laman niya. That's all guys, yan lamang po ang laman ng ating relief box from DSWD. Thank you so much everyone.